Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can add therefore symbol in Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So we need to open first Microsoft Word. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank document. Now here we just need to simply look at the ribbon and you will find the insert tab. Click on that. And then here you'll find symbol. Click on this drop down arrow and choose more symbols. Now in this symbol window, we need to look for the font, this one. Click on this drop down arrow and we have to choose this one, symbol for the font. And here we can find the therefore symbol. Now, once you find that, it's easy to click insert and that will be added into your Microsoft Word document. But what if you're just going to use a text or a shortcut in order to put the therefore symbol or add a therefore symbol into your text? So here you'll find autocorrect, click on that. Now replace the text or replace text as you type. So we're going to replace the symbol with the text. So whenever we are going to insert the therefore symbol, we're just going to type a text. So let's say for example, I'm going to type here backslash therefore. So this is the shortcut that we're going to use. Make sure it's something that you can easily remember. Again, make sure it's something that you can easily remember. Now once done, you need to take note of that and click on add and click on OK and then close this. Now let's try. Okay, so I'm just going to type here backslash, therefore, hit enter. And that's it. You can easily insert the therefore symbol into your Microsoft Word document just by using your shortcut. Again, backslash, but it's up to you. You can use different shortcut. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.